She is Gayatri. Coming from 10 today, we will say a conversation. Hi Gayatri, you are looking so beautiful. What's the special?
Don't know. Today Vijayadashmi celebrations.
Yes, I know. Can you tell me about Vijayadashami?
Yes, Dasara is the biggest festival celebrated in India and it has two stories.
Can you tell me at least one story?
Yes, I will. It is the festival that celebrates the victory of Ram over Ravana and Rama. On this day, Rama killed Ravana, a great demon who took his wife Sita. And Rama is a great believer in powers of Durga and prayed for 9 days. On the 10th day, he killed the Ravana. Every year on this day, Ravana statues were made and burned.
Yes, it was so interesting. Anything else?
Yes, Dasara is celebrated across India in different ways, and which includes prayers, fasting, family gatherings, and playing dandiyas, and many more. People celebrate this festival with a great joy and happiness.
Today I learned something new. Bye for now.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
And here comes the English skit presenters.
అందరికీ శుభోదయం. నేను ఇప్పుడు తెలుగు పద్యం చెప్పబోతున్నాను. తెలుగుదనము వంటి తీయదనము లేదు, తెలుగు కవుల వంటి గనులు లేరు, తెలుగు తల్లి జనకలుపు రావల్లి లలిత సుగుణ జాల తెలుగు బాల. శుభోదయం. ముందుగా అందరికీ దసరా శుభాకాంక్షలు. నేను దసరా విశిష్టత గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. మన భారతదేశంలో హిందువులు జరుపుకునే పండుగల్లో దసరా పండుగ ఎంతో ముఖ్యమైనది. దసరా పండుగను విజయదశమి, దుర్గా నవరాత్రులు అని కూడా అంటారు. వీటిని 10 రోజులు జరుపుకుంటారు. విజయదశమి సందర్భున రావణ వర్గాచమి ఆకుల పూజ చేయడం ఆనవాయితీ. దుర్గాదేవి మహిషాసుడితో 9 రోజులు యుద్ధం చేసి అతన్ని వధించింది. కావున ఆ 9 రోజులను దేవి నవరాత్రుల 10వ రోజును విజయదశమిగా జరుపుకుంటారు. రామాయణం ప్రకారం ఈ విజయదశమి రోజున శ్రీరాముడు రావణాసుని వధించి విజయం సాధించాడు. ధన్యవాదాలు. నా పేరు కేతన్. నేను 4వ తరగతి నుంచి వచ్చాను. ముందుగా అందరికీ దసరా శుభాకాంక్షలు. నేను ఇప్పుడు భగవద్గీత శ్లోకం చెప్పబోతున్నాను. సర్వభూత సమాత్మానం సర్వభూతాని చాత్మని ఈక్షతే యోగయుక్తాత్మ సర్వదస్స నమః. భావం: యోగ సిద్ధి పొందినవాడు సమస్త భూతాల పట్ల సమభావం కలిగి సర్వభూతాలలో తన ఆత్మలో సర్వభూతాలను సందర్శిస్తాడు. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Standard girls are going to present the skit in English.
Present here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to and all. We are presented here a skit before you about believing yourself may not be true. What the teacher says is always true. We want to believe. Good morning, students present here. How are you?
How are you, ma'am?
I'm also fine. From the last week, we have discussed about a general knowledge test. So I want to distribute now papers. So I already submitted you. Please take your papers.
How many? 43 marks.
What? 43 out of 100? Did you write the exam by closing your eyes or what?
I just need to explain it them. It will be fine.
Well, hopefully you and your perspective are okay with the having your phone because you know that your parents are going to take it.
Yeah, and I guess we won't count on you seeing at this weekend.
Or maybe the rest of the month.
I just need to explain with the madam.
Well, let us know how it goes. Yeah, call us later if you can.
I had some doubts about the exam, madam. Can you please clarify my doubts?
Of course, you can ask me. I think I was little surprised your marks in this exam. You can perform very well in this, but you didn't.
Well, I wrote the exam very well, but I don't know why I got less marks.
Really? Did you write?
Yes, madam. Well, take about this question. How many continents are there?
Actually, there are 7 continents, but you wrote 6 continents.
Yes, there are 6 continents. Antarctica is not a continent
Why Antarctica is not a continent, you're thinking?
because nobody lives in that Antarctica. That's why Antarctica is not a continent.
No, Antarctica is a continent. That's the truth for all of us.
And what about this question, madam? Who is inventor of the telephone?
See, you wrote Benjamin Franklin is the inventor of telephone, but the inventor of telephone is Alexander Graham Bell.
But Alexander Graham Bell and Benjamin Franklin also lived at the same time period. He also an inventor.
Yes, he is also inventor, but it's just not true. Benjamin Franklin died before Bell even was born.
Well, Benjamin Franklin also wrote some of his diaries.
Yes, he also wrote, see Kushmita, but believing yourself is true, but believing yourself is true, but actually Benjamin Franklin died before Bell was even born.
I think that's a very narrow-minded things on this, madam.
Well, I'm okay with being narrow-minded.
It's not true for you, but some of these answers true for me, madam.
It's okay, Kushmita. See, number of zeros is always equal to 0. So, truth is, it's not true for all of us.
Okay, madam, you misinterpreted my answers and you gave wrong grade for me, madam.
This is the truth. This is the truth.
Sorry, madam, I misunderstood you, and thank you for clearing my doubts about the exam, madam. Thank you.
It's okay, Kushmita. You got 43% in this exam. I think you will be well performed from the next exam.
Thank you, madam.
So, the moral of this skit is believing yourself is okay, but what the teachers tells about you, we want to believe that's the truth. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Is going to present slokas from Bhagavad Gita.
అందరికీ శుభోదయం. నా పేరు జ్ఞానిక. ఇప్పుడు నేను 4వ తరగతి నుంచి వచ్చాను. అందరికీ ముందుగా దసరా పండుగ శుభాకాంక్షలు. నేను ఇప్పుడు భగవతి శ్లోకం పాడబోతున్నాను. అహమాత్మా గుడాకేశ సర్వభూతాశయస్థితం అహమాదిశ్చ మధ్యం చ భూతానామంతయేవ చ. భావం, సమస్త జీవుల హృదయాలలో ఉండే ఆత్మను నేనే. సర్వభూతాల ఉత్పత్తి సిద్ధి ప్రళయ కారణము నేనే. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Participant Urdhika Shankar from 9th standard.
A peaceful morning to all. First of all, happy Dasra. Today I will tell about Dasra. Dasra is a famous Hindu festival. It is also Vijayadashmi. It is celebrated all over India. It is celebrated on the 10th day in the Shukla Paksha of Ashwini month. On this day, Lord Rama killed Ravan. Ramalila is organized on this festival. Effigies of Demo, Ravan, Kumbhakaram and burnt on this day. People started new work on this day. It is celebrated with great joy and happiness. Dasra teaches us the good always wins over evil. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Have a great day.
Devika and Sri Teja Lakshmi from 6th standard.
A peaceful good morning to all. First of all, everybody happy Dasra. This is Devika and this is my friend Srideja Lakshmi. So today we are telling Let Me Down story song. This night is a cold in the kingdom. I can feel you find a way from the kitchen to the bathroom sink, and your step keep me awake. Don't get me down, through me out, leaving me half to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I was sleeping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you are wounded, to let me down slowly. If you are living, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down slow. Thank you.
Hello, this is Samrata and that is my friend Sriyanshita from 9th standard. First of all, advance happy Dasara to all. Today we sing a song. Come on, turn the radio on. It's a Friday night. I won't be long, son. Go to my hair, put makeup on. It's a Friday night. I won't be long. Still, hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No I need got cash, but I don't. Dollar bills have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills have fun tonight. But I don't need no money as long as I can feel the beat. I don't need no money as long as I keep dancing. Come on, turn the radio on. So Saturday I won't be long, son. Paint my nails, put my high heels on. Saturday I won't be long, still hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Thank you, tuning wonderful opportunity. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much.
A pleasant good morning to everyone. First of all, happy Dasara to all. We are pursuing in 6th class. Today we are singing a song. Stop snoring and yelling. Get moving. It's morning. We're walking. We're shaking. Here comes the day. We're washing. We're rushing. We're dressing. We're brushing. It's shining. Here comes the day. This is a new day. Get up and do it. This is a new day. Get up and do it. Sun shining, birds singing. The morning is brightening. A brand new adventure. Here comes the day. We're learning, we're making, and there's no mistaking. Come softly. Here comes the day. This is a new day. Get up and do it. This is a new day. Get up and do it. We're reading, we're writing. It's also exciting. So come on, let's grab it. Here comes the day. We're running, we're playing, we're laughing, we're saying we love it. Here comes the day. This is a new day. Get up and do it. This is a new day. Get up and do it. This is a new day. Get up and do it. This is a new day. Get up and do it. Thank you.